What the fuck is it? Hopefully, is it right? I'm hoping this time it loaded it up like I wanted it to. I don't know why it seems like on certain days, technical stuff for me just dumps all kinds of issues. Anyways, enough about that. Let's get on with it. Let's go over here. Okay, so right now I've got vertical sync off. I'm in the manage 3D settings, not program, because I'm not running a program. I do have my maximum performance on like normal. And that's what I run in the. Basically, these settings will be the same as the program ones as I go. So what we got? Let's look at the overlay. See what it says. Okay, now this is different. We're running at max, but now it's actually synced the D3D to my actual monitor refresh rate. Before it was like 600, or I can't remember. It was up in hundreds, many hundreds. Okay, let's go over here and see. And it is still says suspended. Go figure. 40.2. Zero usage there. Same for the OBS. Everything's still the same on that part as far as that goes. Okay. So let's go ahead and put vertical sync on. And apply. Even though it was basically vertically synced already. That's weird now I think about it. Oh, that's running with this, right? Where is it? Where'd I put it? Oh, yeah, that's right there. See, right here. Use a wee bit of GPU for a second. This looks all the same or close enough to the same where I'm not too worried about it. I don't see anything blasting out saying, whoa, warning, we got a problem. Okay. Now I'm going to put this into the background. Make sure it's in the background. Yep. Okay. Not using any GPU at all. Overlay says same stuff. Okay. Well, interesting. Maybe this is what they wanted it to do. They were hoping for. That it wouldn't change anything, no matter which one I was on. Okay, bring that back forward. Back forward. Syncs on. Frame rate is. Bum, bum. That's still the same. Now, with VSync off, that should go like to some crazy number like it was before. I'm going to go make sure I got it off in the program app just in case. On program settings. That's off, okay. The proper program. Yeah, okay. Now, this should not still be stuck at 75, I wouldn't think. It is. Maybe it is supposed to be at 75, I don't know. That's interesting, actually. Huh, okay. This went smoother. I feel like I just did something wrong. But you guys can tell me if I screwed up or something. I don't know why I feel so exhausted. Jesus, I didn't do that much. All right, for what I did different, just so you know, because I realized it wasn't changing anything, is this right here. If you look at my mouse, on the right screen, that wasn't here because I forgot. I have a FreeSync monitor, Samsung, but FreeSync and G-Sync are now supposed to be compatible on, and F-Sync, or what the hell is the AMD one called? It's called something sync. God, what is it called? It's on my, it's right here. I'm like, oh, excuse me for a second. Pull up my on-screen display for my monitor. Yeah, FreeSync is what they call it. Okay. So I enabled the FreeSync on the monitor itself, and that's what was it. I didn't have it enabled before because I didn't realize it until I started researching that. I thought because I don't have an AMD, I couldn't use it until I found out I can use it, and I set G-Sync up and it'll still use it. I thought it would be a problem. It was a problem when I first did it because it made everything change. Like I said, I spent about an hour having to do all my settings. Now they seem fine, so I'm not going to touch it. But anyways, that's the difference between the previous test and this one. But same outcome as far as GPU usage, CPU usage. The biggest difference was it actually did go to 75 hertz instead of 600 hertz. So it did actually match my monitor, but it didn't change any of the resource use. All right, hopefully this helped you guys somehow. Let me know if it didn't, or if you need anything else, and I will do my best to do it properly. Hopefully I did this okay, and I'm sorry if I messed up.